On 12th January 2022, the chairman of the Regional Committee on Border Dispute Meghalaya, PRESTONE TYNSONG, had informed reporters on the outcome of talks with his counterpart from Assam on the 6 areas of differences for which a solution is sought. PRESTONE TYNSONG informed that the meeting held today resulted on a positive note whereby both committees had met chief ministers of both states to decide on the next step towards solution to the pending border issue. TYNSONG further added that another meeting with all detailed reports will be held very soon so that the issue will be finally resolved before the Statehood Day celebrations of Meghalaya on the 21st of January 2022.
More or less, we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas which ever we already inspected. And now again, both the chief ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two chief ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the Honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st, maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So this is the meeting that we had.